Hi, my name is Matt Kelly. I'm a light vehicle technician and I started my trade with the Motor Trade Association through a training scheme. So I'm really lucky to work at Brabham Automotive. We have a brilliant product which is on the world stage. The car itself is predominantly Australian made. It's made in Adelaide and it's made by a small team of highly skilled people, whether that be engineers, technicians or carbon fibre manufacturing. We have big plans for Brabham Automotive and the BT62 is only our beginning. My passion for the automotive industry started when my dad bought me a 1974 mini paddle van, and from there I found a passion for the trade and also repairing and maintaining vehicles. So I was first hosted to Morris Mania at Kent Town where we worked on old English cars, so Morrises, Austins and other vehicles of that era. I was then hosted to Adelaide Exclusive Mechanical, which was in Trinity Gardens, where we worked on European cars such as BMW, Mercedes, Porsche and also Ferrari. So the training of the MTA was fantastic. We had a number of brilliant lecturers.
Say something else about that. Oh, you know what? Streaks above the rest. Great work ethics.
So I got a call from Brabham in order to get this position here. At the time, it was a little bit surreal. Having such a facility within Adelaide and having an opportunity of this kind of magnitude in Adelaide is something that I feel really privileged to have been able to secure.
We're very proud of you, Matt. You've come a long way and I think your career's only going to get greater. So, well done, mate.
Thanks, mate. Appreciate it. Thanks to the MTA for everything you've done for me.
Here we are at Bathurst, about to go out for our first run in the Brabham BT62. We think this car should go well under the 2-minute mark, which if anyone knows Bathurst is an extraordinary lap time. To have a Brabham back on track where it belongs and to go and breathe like that, it's just such an incredible achievement.